ConnectTo ClickSend SMS is an add-on that lets you to send SMSs from the information you have in your Google Sheet. To begin, click Configure your SMS provider. It does open automatically even if you click the menu open. If not, go to Configure SMS provider. And in the Configure your SMS provider, select your service as ClickSend. This should take you to accept some of the details about the ClickSend. It does ask you for account username. And here is a sender ID. I have got the sender ID as +Mac. If you would like to find more details, click on the eye icon. That will take you for getting the more details about it. And this is a login username and the password. Click on save. Once you hit save, a sidebar opens, and here is where you need to make a selection. Select phone field. The phone field, which there's nothing but which of the column has a phone field. It says phone. So these markers are identified for being the first row of the sheet subscription. If in case you have a different row, and when I open, let me see what does that display. So instead of names, it just doesn't detect, and it just displays select. So prefer having the column names as the first row, and I go back or I click refresh. Having a refresh here will just bring up the new column names which are contained in row 1. So let's see where is the phone number. The phone number field is picked up for sending the SMSs. And we have two ways of composing the text. Text can be either in the column itself or it can be as a composed text. So I want to send something even if my text is actually in the F column. So let me compose it. Hi, space followed by a placeholder called name. I greet as hi, and then followed by a comma. Please subscribe for the magazine 2024 using this link. And the link is here in E column, which says subscription link. And this is the SMS. You can remove a trailing space. Just say thanks. Now my work is to see the preview. Let me select one of them. I select by clicking the row number at CISO. I click on preview. Let's see what is the preview looking like. And you have a number here with high CISO. You can use a first name column because I just have a single column with the name. You can have a first name and it does substitute the values. I'm in the text columns and it just creates SMS. I click send SMS or SMS current. And now you see in the background the word success. You can navigate to a different if you have selected multiple rows. I selected only one row. That's the reason you select multiple rows to have a preview of multiple things. Alternatively, you can select multiple rows by dragging the numbers from 2 to 8 and click the option SMS selected rows. So let's see how the SMS are being sent. They are sent one after the other, but if there are any issues, you get notified. It says invalid recipient. That's because this field doesn't have a phone number, and you see the error. And the selected SMSs are being sent with the ID BlissMag. The BlissMag is these ID, which is configured from the configure your SIMs provider option. It's a plismac. And at any point of time, click View Balance Credits. And when you click here, that will take you to the page where it can display your credits. I'm in a trial option with just $100, and you should be able to go there and have your wallet loaded and then fetch the right amount there gets displayed if there are any balance credits. I hope this add-on should be helpful. Thank you so much.